Namaste. Welcome to Blishon concept teaching. Today we are solving the problem of class 10th NCERT syllabus and it is of the lesson pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.3 third main question, in that we are solving fifth question. First let us read the question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. First let us solve the problem. Afterwards let us do the verification. We will do the verification for the better understanding of the problem. Let us solve this. Solution. We know that in a fraction we have numerator and denominator. So let us consider, let the numerator be x and let the denominator be y. Then the fraction means we have both numerator and denominator is x by y, right? Now our intention is to find out the value of the fraction. So that first we have to find the value of x and y, right? Now let us read the question. Look at this. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Okay. We know that this is our fraction. X by y is our fraction. What they have given? If 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So let us add 2 to the numerator and denominator. Then what they are saying? If we add 2 to the numerator and the denominator, a fraction becomes 9 by 11. Now we have added 2 to the numerator and to the denominator. Then the fraction, it will become 9 by 11. This is our first equation. We got this equation 1 from the question. Okay. Then now look at this sentence. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. What it means? It means they are saying that the fraction, that is x by y, it will become 5 by 6. When it will become 5 by 6? If we add 3 to the numerator and denominator. So let us add 3 to the numerator and to the denominator, so that it will become 5 by 6. These two equations, we got this from the question. Now let us solve this. First let us consider equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. First let us simplify this one. See here. First let us cross multiply this, that is 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x is 11x plus 11 into 2 is 22 is equal to 9 into y is 9y plus 9 2s are 18. 11x plus 9y, when it will cross this side it will become minus 9y plus 18 plus 22, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 22. 11x minus 9y plus 18 minus 22. means what we have to do? We have to subtract, right? That is plus 18 minus 22 is minus 4. Now let us consider this as equation A. See this carefully. You can take this as equation A. You can take equation 3 also. It is left to you. I will take equation A. Now let us consider this equation 2 and let us simplify this. Consider equation 2, that is this one. X plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. X plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Now let us simplify this. To simplify this, we have to cross multiply, right? Now 6 into x plus 3, 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3, 5 into y plus 3. 6 into x is 6x, 6 3s are 18 is equal to 5 into y is 5y, 5 3s are 15, 6x plus 5y, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 5y is equal to 15 plus 18, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 18. 6x minus 5y plus 15 minus 18 is minus 3. Now let us consider this as equation B. Now look at this very carefully. Equation A, we got this by simplifying equation 1, right? And this equation B, we got this by simplifying the equation 2. Now we have to forget about these two equations now, that is equation 1 and 2. Just we have to take the simplified equation of 1 and 2, that is this A and B. First let me write. Consider equation A and B, that is equation A is 11x minus 9y minus 4. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4, and equation B is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. These two equations are very important now, A and B. First let us consider equation A. Let us consider equation A, that is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Then 11x is equal to minus 4. This minus 9y, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus 9y. X is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. We got the value of x from equation A. Let me consider this as equation C. Once again I will repeat. Listen carefully. We got this equation C from equation A. Now we have to substitute this equation C, means the value of x, in equation B. Consider equation B. Consider equation B, that is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. and substitute value of x from equation C. In equation B, 6. In the place of x, let us substitute this value, that is minus 4 plus 9y is equal to, divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now let us simplify. First let me simplify this one. I will simplify here. 6 into minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Plus into minus is minus. 6 4s are 24 plus 6 9s are 54 into y divided by 11. We have simplified this one here, so this one I will write here because we have simplified here separately. Minus 24 plus 54 y divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now look at this. Here we have numerator and denominator. But here we have only numerator. So nothing is in the denominator, means I can consider it as 1. Right? Now we want to subtract these two terms. So we have to take LCM to equalize the denominator. The LCM of 11 and 1 is 11 only, right? LCM of 11 and 1 is 11. Therefore, we have to equalize the denominator to 11 to subtract. So, 11. Already in the denominator we have 11. So, I will write this directly. Minus 24 plus 54y. Here. 1 it is there. We have to equalize the denominator to 11. So, let me multiply 11 both to the numerator and denominator. 1 into 11, 11, already it is there. Minus, for this minus, let me write minus. 5 into 11 is 55 into y. 55y is equal to minus 3. Here also nothing is in the denominator, means you can write 1. Now, let us cross multiply. Okay. That is 1 into minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y is equal to 11 into minus 3 is minus 33. 1 into this one, we will get the same answer, that is minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y is equal to minus 33. Minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y, it's nothing but what? Minus 1y, or you can simply write y is equal to minus 33. Minus y is equal to minus 33. This minus 24, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus 24. Minus y is equal to minus 33 plus 24 is minus 9. Minus minus it will cancel, right? Therefore, y is equal to 9. We got the value of y. Now, let us substitute the value of y, that is 9, in any of these three equations. That is equation A, equation B, or in equation C. Here I will consider equation C. It is of your choice. You can substitute the value of y either in equation A, B or in C. Okay. Now let me consider equation C. Consider equation C and substitute y is equal to 9 in equation C. This is our equation C. Let me write here. X is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. X is equal to minus 4 plus 9 into y. The value of y is 9. Therefore, into 9 divided by 11. X is equal to minus 4, 9 nines are 81 divided by 11. X is equal to minus 4 plus 81 is 77 divided by 11. X is equal to 11 ones are 11, 7s are 77. Therefore, x is equal to 7. We got the value of x as 7. Now we got both the value of x and y, right? We know that our fraction is x by y. Look at the first page. Here we have written, right? Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y, and the fraction is x by y. We got the numerator, that is x, as 7 and y as 9. Then x by y, what it will become? 7 by 9. That is what they told us to find out. Find the fraction. What is our fraction? 7 by 9. So let us write. Therefore, the given fraction is 7 by 9. This is your answer. Now let us do the verification. But no need to do the verification in your exams. It is only for your better understanding of the problem. In the question, what did they tell you? A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, right? But they did not give the fraction. But now we know the fraction. That is, the fraction is 7 by 9, right? The given fraction is 7 by 9. If 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, we will get 9 by 11. Let us see. Let us add 2 to the numerator and to the denominator. Okay. Let us see what it will become. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. What they told us? The fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator and denominator. Yes, the fraction became 9 by 11 if we add 2 to the numerator and 2 to the denominator, right? Therefore, our equation 1, it holds good. And what did they tell us in the second sentence? If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, we will get 5 by 6. Let us check. We know that the fraction is 7 by 9. And let us add 3 to the numerator and to the denominator. Then 7 plus 3 is what? 10. 9 plus 3 is 12. Now let us simplify this 10 by 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. That is 5 by 6. Yes, the fraction it will become 5 by 6 if we add 3 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator, right? We have verified the question. Just I wanted to say in this question here, this is slightly different from your other problems. Here, according to the question, we have written these two equations. since these two equations, they are not in the simplified form, we have simplified here. Okay, we have simplified the equation 1 and we got the equation this one, and we have considered it as A. And since the equation 2, it is also not in the simplified form, so we have simplified this equation 2 and we got this equation B after simplification. Now these two, therefore these two equations will become our main equations now, because these two equations are in the simplified form. But in your previous problems, they were giving the equations which are already in the simplified form. But since the equations were not simplified here, so we have simplified that first, and afterwards we have used these equations for our solutions. Okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you.